Guys, it's me, Jerry Metalman Battaglia, with another awesome video coming up. Here, my friend Ernesto, and he has two awesome cars. So guys, check out all my videos about classic muscle, classic European, and classic cars. Leave any comments down below. Hit that subscribe button really quick so you can see more and more videos of the classic cars that I promote on this channel. And also hit that like button so we get the algorithm up so people like us can see awesome videos. Because not only do we make videos, I also watch everybody else's videos in the classic car industry and other things. So we're going to check out these two cars, Ernesto, right?
Sure, yeah.
So let's check them out. Check these cars out, guys. These are all Lowriders, and he makes Lowriders. So what do you have here?
63 Chevy Impala.
63 Chevy Impala.
Yeah. 27 motor.
327 motor.
Both, yeah.
Okay. And you have the 64 here, right?
Yeah.
Can we check out the inside?
Yeah.
Well, it's cool paint, but you know they are covered, guys. It is cold here in Long Island, New York. But I was told about these cars. They might have been for sale, but Ernesto says they are not for sale, which stinks. So check it out. These are all project cars.
Yeah.
They're all projects that he restores and makes them lowriders. So I got the lead. He happened to be home, knocked on the door, and found these two cars sitting in the backyard out here in Long Island, New York. Where are they originally from, Ernesto?
What?
Where are they from? Long Island?
Long Island, yeah. We're in both in Deer Park.
Deer Park.
Yeah.
Got some cool 63. Check it out, guys. Got the tank back there to make lowriders, but these things are really, really, really cool, man. Pretty solid. How are those floors?
Yeah.
Oh, there's some rod in the rear floors and the side. I didn't see that.
Floor, yeah, I had the whole floor.
Those are easy. Blue. Probably nice blue. Probably that nice blue automatic. And there it is. Original 327, guys. Look at the old paintwork back in the day. Wow. On that firewall. Pretty cool. Beautiful green metallic. He's going to restore all these cars. And unfortunately, I thought they were for sale. But they are not. Check out that paintwork, guys. So yeah, so guys, check out all my videos. Subscribe to my channel, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Hit that like button so get these videos out there. We got some awesome New York lowriders here. Ernesto takes these cars and makes them beautiful. But these are projects that he's going to be doing soon. Had no idea. Wish they were for sale. But he's been to the Lowrider show in Las Vegas as well. But these are awesome. Any more?
Well,
Nah, okay.
Airbags, you know.
Yep, the airbag in the back, yep. So guys, just want to thank Ernesto for letting me check out his cars. And like I said, hit that like button, leave those comments down below. Any lowrider fans out there, come take a look at these videos. Jerry Metalman Battaglia and Ernesto. Have a good day. Adios.